Welcome back. IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati has received the Building Bridges Initiative bill alongside the signatures collected. Chebukati maintained the verification exercise would not commence until they receive funding from the exercise from the Treasury. Let's take a look at what he had to say.
Asante. Vile anakabidhiwa sahihi ambazo zimejumuishwa. Ndugu, naomba usonge.
Chairman, katika hii box ambaye tunakabidhi sahihi iko na uzito kabisa. Hii ni high power. Katika hii box kuna signature moja, Kenya 1, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Pia katika hii box, Chairman, kuna signature ingine ya nguvu ya former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga.
We have, you have seen we have received the sample signatures. There'll be a team waiting for you upstairs to go through the processes of handing over the main bulk of the signatures. As a commission, our work starts here. After receiving the signatures, which has been done, plus a soft copy, and which will also enable us to do our work. It will save us the trouble of typing out the hard copies. We shall now proceed and request for a budget from the National Treasury. As soon as we get the budget and the exchequer, then we shall now get a team. Our team is already available. We have a referendum committee which will undertake the exercise of signature verification. But of course, we shall not commence until we get a budget and exchequer from the National Treasury. So that is one. Number two, and this for the purpose of the media and to avoid speculation, the Commission will be giving periodic updates on this particular process. So we shall alert you when we shall be giving those updates on the process. So please don't speculate on what is happening or what's not happening. We are available and information will be available to you. And thirdly and lastly, all this will be done within the Ministry of Health and the Commission protocols on COVID. So the signature verification exercise we have taken, we shall provide for that environment where the people will be working. We shall ensure their safety, but at the same time be able to deliver on that
Let's take you live to Mombasa County now, where President Uhuru Kenyatta is set to launch the construction of the Makupa Bridge in Mombasa County and thereafter commission the Luatoni Floating Bridge. Let's cross over live and take a look at the live pictures there. President Uhuru Kenyatta in attendance, and he will be launching that Luatoni Floating Bridge built by the China Road and Bridge Corporation under the supervision of the Kenya National Highways Authority. The bridge there, over $17 million, is set to be commissioned by the head of state. It is one that will be managed later on by the Kenya Ports Authority as well as KENHA, and is expected to cut the time it takes to cross the channel by 70%. All right, so I understand President Uhuru Kenyatta has already commissioned that floating bridge. Live pictures there from Mombasa. We'll be speaking later on to reporter Tobias Chanji with the latest from the coast region. Now, as the coronavirus pandemic rages, conversations on acquiring vaccines in the country continue.